How to delete duplicate file or folder from Google Drive. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete duplicate files or folders from Google Drive and free up your space. For that, you will need to open your web browser on your device first. And at the search bar of the browser, here type drive.google.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button to search it. You will be taken to the official website of Google Drive. Here, if you are not already sign in with your Google account. Now once you are signed in, here scroll through the files and folders to find the duplicates. You may also use the search bar at the top to look for specific file names. Or you can click on this name column header to sort your files alphabetically, making it easier to spot the duplicates. And here find the duplicate file. Usually the duplicate files have similar or same name. Once you find the duplicate file or folder, click on it to select it. You can hold the Ctrl key and select each of them if you have multiple files. If not, you can right click on it and click on this Move to Trash option at the bottom. Alternatively, you can just click on it and select the dustbin icon from the top. Once you do so, now it will be moved to your trash section. The deleted files remain in trash section for 30 days. After 30 days, it will be permanently deleted automatically. But if you want to delete it all year, you can go to this trash folder on the left hand side. From here, you can select the folder and then click on this delete forever option from the top. Once you do that, you will be asked to confirm it. By clicking on this delete forever, you will be able to delete your duplicate files on Drive permanently. So in this way, you can delete your duplicate files or folders on Google Drive to free up your space. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.